So it is 12:41 a.m. So technically it is December 23rd. It is Monday. But I am off of my 9 to 5 this entire week of Christmas. And when I tell you I need this vacation, and it's not even like a vacation, like a summer vacation, like a vacation. I just need this vacation time off of work. Cause whew. But I am in Florida at my mom's house and I'm about to sew. So I packed up my car with my sewing stuff, some of it, to bring to my mom's house so I can work while I'm in town for the holidays. And it just feels good to be around family right now in these holidays time. Around these holidays, I have a little glass of wine. I'm about to watch a documentary called American Symphony by it's following John Baptiste. And when I tell y'all, if you have not seen this documentary, American Symphony, please go watch it. Because one, it is very inspiring. And two, I love documentaries. Fun fact. I love documentaries. I love docuseries. I'm big for like learning about things, and especially when it comes to certain artists or even not just fashion designers, but like even musicians and actors and actresses. I love to see how people get to where they get to, or if they're working on a project like American Symphony. I just love to see what that process looks like. And it's very inspiring. It really gives you hope and just the trials people face when they're working on something, or it seems like they're at the height of their career, or they're just at a peak moment in their career, and then in your personal life things happen. It's a beautiful documentary. And John Baptiste, his music is very uplifting. If you love jazz, if you love blues, if you just love real instruments and live instrumentation in your music, you will love his music. So check him out. But I'm gonna probably, I don't know how long I'm gonna stay up. I think I'm gonna just sew until I get sleepy. I haven't done this in a while. I'm just gonna sew until I get sleepy. And then I'm gonna step into my little girl bag and I'm gonna go sleep in the bed, in my mama bed. So listen, I went shopping for a client and I needed to get some fabric swatches and I saw this green and I was like, I can make something from this. Let me go ahead and get this. And then I saw this sketch, like this visual in my head, and I was like, let me sketch it out. This is what I saw. So some fabric I already had, some fabric I did purchase. And I was like, you know what? Let's make a mini collection, like just a mini capsule collection. If my job was not fully remote, my 9 to 5, like what would I wear as the woman I am today, as a 30-year-old woman? What would I wear in office in a corporate setting? So I wanted to design something around that. And on top of that, I love a tailored aesthetic. I love that aesthetic. I love designing from that space. And that's what I did. I literally created a mini capsule wardrobe collection for myself that hopefully will probably inspire me to create something else for this love project that I'm working on. That way I can share it with you guys finally, instead of just hinting around it in certain videos and then y'all never hear about it again. I promise y'all, it's a love project is coming. But yeah, I just decided to make these green pair pants. Now, don't come from my head, y'all, per usual. I don't have a lot of content of making the entire outfit, but while I was sewing, I just needed to kind of escape from the reality of what was taking place during the holiday season of 2024. The holidays are always really bittersweet for me since 2021. I lost my grandmother on New Year's Day in 2021. And ever since then, for me personally, it's a little tough because a lot of the things that I'm doing now, even just as simple as creating what I'm making, she would be the one that I would share it with. So maybe this is the moral of the video. I wanted to leave you guys with some type of hope and encouragement. But I think I just want to dedicate this video to my grandmother. She would often tell me, when you sew, smooch, just focus on your sewing. And that's what I did. I would literally just focus on my sewing in the entire 2024. That's all I did. I just focused on my sewing, and me focusing on my sewing led to me actually having courage and faith to make steps and take actionable steps to work on this love project that I can't wait to share with y'all. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you next week.